What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Bangkok. It's a beautiful morning here in the rain season. Time is 9:45 and in about 15 minutes I got a appointment with a real estate agent from Sukhumvit Homes, and he or she will be taking me around Bangkok today to try and find an apartment that we can move in. As said in the early video, we are moving to Bangkok permanently in end of the month. So this week I'm only here in Bangkok to find a place to live. That's gonna be starting today. And here in 15 minutes I'll be heading down and out and around in Bangkok to see if we can find somewhere to live. So tag along. Our first stop of the day was GM Estate, a brand new building that just opened in January 2024. It's a 25-story mixed-use property combining a hotel and condominium living. I viewed two different layouts. Both were 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units, each measuring 115 square meters. The design was clean and modern, and the building is packed with facilities: a pool, cafe, bar, restaurant, golf simulator, gym, kids club, and even a business center. Monthly rent is listed at 127,000 baht, but we were told it could be negotiated down to around 115,000. All units are also pet friendly, but only for small dogs. This was actually my favorite condo of the day. The vibe was spot on, and it feels like a great place to live. Unfortunately, the unit itself was just a little too small for us, especially since I need a proper home office setup. Just a few meters down the road from GM Estate is GM Tower, developed by the same company but a noticeably older building. Originally built in 2002 and recently renovated. It stands 20 stories tall on Sukhumvit Soi 20. In Bangkok, apartment hunting is often about finding the right balance between new and old. New condos are modern and stylish, but often quite compact. Older buildings like this one offer significantly more space, though sometimes at the cost of a bit of charm and energy. The unit I saw here was massive, 315 square meters, with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and even a maid's room. There's definitely room to breathe, and I can see how it will work well for larger families. The building includes a large pool, a kids pool, sauna, gym, yoga room, and a basketball court, and it's pet friendly as well. Rent was originally listed at 120,000 baht per month, but could be negotiated down to 105,000. For us though, the apartment felt like too much space, and while the renovation helped, the building still lacked a bit of warmth and energy we're looking for in our home. Our next stop was The Night, located on Sukhumvit Soi 31 in the Prom area. This low-rise apartment building was originally known as AS Place, built back in 1994. It was fully renovated in 2024 and relaunched as The Night. It's a cozy 8-story building with just 27 units, and it's pet friendly, allowing both cats and small dogs up to 10 kilograms. The apartment I toured was on the 3rd floor. It measured 150 square meters and had 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The style felt clean, modern, and practical, and the size worked surprisingly well. Facilities includes a swimming pool, gym, sauna, and even a shuttle service to nearby BTS station. The asking price was 80,000 baht per month and possibly negotiable. What really stood out for me was the location. It's within walking distance to my son Victor's school, which is a huge plus. This was definitely one of my favorites of the day. Unfortunately, once again, there just wasn't enough space to carve out a proper home office, which is something I absolutely need. Our next stop was Asok Grand Mercure Residence, a mixed-use building completed in 2006 with renovations last done in 2017. It rises 29 stories and includes 76 units, combining long-term apartment and hotel-style services. This building felt a bit older, but the unit we viewed had clearly been recently renovated and felt modern and fresh. It had 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and measured around 200 square meters. We originally intended to see a 2-bedroom unit, which was listed at 80,000 bahts. So I'd estimate this 3-bedroom was likely around 115,000. Facilities here are great. A large swimming pool, fully equipped gym, a study room, a kids room, sauna, parking and more. The highlight for me was the amazing view over Bangkok. But there was one downside. The building is located just across Asok Monthly Road, closer to Nana. That might not seem like a big deal, but for us it means longer and trickier school drop-off for Victor. Personally, I don't find the Nana area to be the most child-friendly part of Bangkok. That said, this was still one of the better options we saw during the day. Next up was Villa Bajaj. It's located on Sukhumvit Soi 19, right in the Asok area of Bangkok. This 12-story building was completed back in 1971, and while it saw partial renovations in 2018, it still holds on to much of its original charm. There's just 30 apartments here and is known for being very pet-friendly, even offering a dedicated dog area. The unit I came to see was 240 square meters with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, priced at 95,000 baht per month. They also had a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom options for 85,000 baht. Unfortunately, I knew pretty quickly that this one wouldn't be the right fit for us. The pool area is right next to the parking lot, which takes away from the atmosphere a bit. The apartment itself was extremely spacious, but the layout felt inefficient with quite a bit of unused and awkward space. And like the previous property, it's located in the far side of the Asok, closer to Nana, which would make daily school runs a bit of a challenge. While it might suit other families who prioritize space and pet friendliness, it just didn't align with what we are looking for. Our final stop of the day was Chodtayakorn, or CTK as it's often abbreviated. Located in Sukhumvit Soi 23 area, CTK is a pet-friendly high-rise completed in 2014 with 28 floors and 73 units. mostly larger 3 and 4 bedroom layouts. This was one of the most feature-packed buildings we visited. It offered a swimming pool, gym, barbecue area, indoor playground, kids zone, shuttle service, and even an indoor tennis court and a pickleball court. There's also a beautiful renovated garden, though unfortunately I wasn't allowed to film it. I viewed 2 units here. One was 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms layout with 220 square meters, asking 110,000 baht, and a slightly larger one with 3 bedrooms, a study room, 3 bathrooms, totaling 245 square meters, asking 115,000 baht. CTK stood out as a strong option, especially for family with kids and pets. Still, I had to laugh a bit about the indoor tennis court. In 40 degrees Bangkok heat, you barely survive one set before needing an IV drop. The location, once again, is on the far side of Asok Montreal Road, which makes daily school runs less convenient. But as a final stop, CTK gave us a lot to think about. I definitely learned more about what we want, even if the perfect place is still out there. Just got back to my hotel after first day of apartment / condo hunting, and today I've seen a total of 7 different apartment condos. I don't really understand the difference between the condo and the apartment here, because I thought that the apartment was like individual owners, where condominiums was like in buildings, whereas like one owner. I think the agent told me it was opposite. Anyways, I saw a whole lot, 7 today, and now I'm just completely tired, still a bit jet lagged from yesterday. Haven't been eating any breakfast, so yeah, we called it off for the last 4 and made a new arrangement on Tuesday in 2 days from now. Oh, 3 days actually, where there's also another building that we couldn't see here in the weekend. So yeah, overall, I think it's super difficult. I think either the apartments here are extremely big, where you just feel like you're paying a whole lot of money for a lot of wasted square meters, or they're just too small, where there's just not 1 inch that is not decorated or furnished with something. I think it's very difficult to find something in the middle, and we're looking for a large 2-bedroom or a small 3-bedroom, and that's pretty much not available. Either a super large 3-bedroom or too small 2-bedroom. But we saw some nice options, and most of all of the apartment, you can ask them to remove some of the furniture, so we can bring in some of our own stuff and maybe make some more space here and there. So yeah, all around, super positive about the first day, but still difficult. But we'll manage to find something during the next couple of days. I got another arrangement with another real estate agent on Wednesday, I think. So yeah, let's see. But for now, I think I will need a Spanish-style siesta. I need something to eat. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video, where we will continue the hunt for a new home here in Bangkok. If you like the video, then please like it, and if you have some good suggestions, then leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see each other on the next one. Bye bye.